Aloha! My name is Molly and I'm an athletic trainer here at Kauai Therapy and Wellness. And I just wanted to share a little bit of what it will look like after you have your total knee replacement. As a team, we're going to look to address any safety needs that you have, any equipment you might need at your home to make getting around easier, pain management options for at home and in clinic, and then any home exercise programs that we can give you to help your process along, and then any in-clinic services we can offer you that will be beneficial for you. Our programs aim to reestablish joint motion, muscle strength, and return you to your prior level of function and independence. While you're meeting with your therapist before your surgery, they're going to instruct you on several different things like home safety, how to get around at your house without having any risk of falls or things like that. Any equipment needs, which might include a walker or crutches or a cane, a 3-in-1 commode or a shower chair, a tube bench, a leg lifter, any adaptive equipment for dressing like a shoehorn, and a gait belt to help whoever is helping you get you around more safely. They will also instruct you on lower body dressing, sitting and standing, how to do bed transfers to provide you with the least amount of pain during that, and then exercises that are going to be specific for you that you can do at home, and then how to do bedside commode transfers and shower transfers so that you are staying as safe as possible. They will also discuss some things like precautions with you, what things you can do, what things you can't do. Edema management for home, so how to use your compression stockings, when to ice, when to elevate, things like that. They will also discuss gait with you, so getting around with your walker or cane, how to do that safely. And then how to go upstairs, especially because a lot of us do have stairs in our home, and so it's really important to address how to go up and down those safely. And then your range of motion goals, where we would like to see you at certain points in time and how to properly achieve those goals. We are looking forward to helping you throughout your rehab process after your total knee surgery. And there are several pieces of equipment we sell here at Kauai Therapy and Wellness just to make it easier for you so you don't have to go search for them. Those include a leg lifter, a gait belt, and ice packs. So if you are interested in purchasing those, just let us know at your appointment and we can get you set up with those.